sabay-sabay po tayong sumigaw ng mabuhay ang bagong kasal in 1, 2, and 3. And now to witness the official kiss of Lorraine and O'Neal to our beautiful venue at Jardín de Miramar. O'Neal, please do the honor and kiss your wife. Everybody shout kiss! Friends and family, please remain standing. I'd like to invite our team groom and team bride to please take your spot over here. And now, sa mga bisita po ng ating newlywed couple, we prepared a special production number po for everybody. Kasama po kayo dahil lahat po tayo magsasayaw.